Hey, so what's up, Berridos? This is Dutty Berry. So I'm there online and my priest Alkaline drop a new song. It is called Nice and Easy. So let's go check it out. Oh, sexy Rasta girl as album photo. Different girl, different one? What? Oh wow, so now me I learn say, you know, he went inside of the girl raw. Went in there just raw. We cook meat ago, just raw. Okay. Well, you have money, you can't mind pitney.
Wine for the song, wine for the long. Done back, we that the right position. Girl, you know business, I mean, like on your band. She give me the put nice and easy now. Wine all you need to make a ball and pull. Sagittarius, I'm on a pull.
Sagittarius, how can I?
Chop your back, so I'm chopping up in your back. Ask this up, I'm going to tell you the what's. Damn things up, I'm going to touch your spot. Me a pocket till you pop, don't take it back from the time. She a wine for the dan, wine for the dan. Done back, we that the right.
Oh, malala pa. Asa ba chop naman chop. Chom naman Makanta naman na doing arena shops. Hindi, malala the part nice. Play it again.
Chop your back, so I'm chopping up in your back. Ask this up, I'm going to tell you the what's. Damn things up, I'm going to touch your spot. Me a pocket till you pop, don't take it back from the time.
Alright, so here it is. I don't really make out what I say in the verse, but I know to share where I thang. I know to share wine panda John. Him say something about her vaginal region over and over again. It sounds like she's a virgin. She don't really understand the sex something because him have to break down exactly what she's supposed to do. Maybe she clueless, maybe she inexperienced, and him just a guide her. You know, him a teach her the ropes. So you know, congrats to you, Alkaline, for being patient with this girl. All right. Oh, so the song done. Okay. It's the it is finito. It is Harhova. Alkaline, nice and easy. It's a nice like a groovy song. It's a nice like a song. I want him come up with a dance song. It's like how Kartel did add Fever. That's the only thing I think missing from Alkaline. I love to see like him do a mama song one day. So I can say, yeah, big up the mama song the way him do that did shot. But I love to hear a dance song from Alkaline. Like, you know, like a dance song where the youth them can dance to the girl them can dance to like a dance move song. But I like to see the happy party groove type of song there from Alkaline. And I love to hear like a broke out, like a girl broke out song. You know, like how Kartel can have TikTok and he may have slow motion, or how Kartel we have like Fever. I love to hear like one of them like a broke out girl tune there from an Alkaline to hear what kind of flavor he might bring to it. Let me know, Berridos, what did you think about his new single, Nice and Easy? You think so the song shot? Do you hard think so it slap way? Or you think so it never really did a cut it at all? Comment below. Alright, thanks for watching another Dirty Lyrics. Should sheet now turn around. Thanks you for watching Dirty Lyrics. It turn around.